Do you have diabetes or know someone who does? Did you know that, in addition to lifestyle and diet changes, diabetic people or those at risk of developing it need to exercise to get better results in their treatment? In today's video, you will see 3 natural teas that help control diabetes and insulin resistance. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, the number of diabetic people is increasing. Today, around 250 million people in the world have diabetes. This number is alarming, isn't it? The disease is considered an epidemic, and 7 million people are added to this list each year. Some of the most common symptoms are excessive thirst, increased appetite, excessive urination, weight loss even with excessive feeding, fatigue with no apparent reason, blurry vision. You may also present skin issues, such as frequent skin infections, wounds that don't heal or take too long to heal, and numbness or tingling sensation on feet and hands. Do you have any of these symptoms? See some plants that are scientifically proven to regulate blood sugar levels. Dandelion. Dandelion seems to have a strong effect on diabetes since its leaves and roots can regulate blood sugar levels. Dandelion roots have inulin, a sugar that increases insulin production since it is not metabolized, meaning it doesn't raise blood sugar levels. Dandelion can be a good natural option for pre-diabetic people. To make this tea, you will need 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of dandelion roots. Let the water and roots boil in a pot for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it sit for 5 minutes. Strain and drink while warm. You can drink dandelion tea up to 3 times a day. Chamomile. Chamomile is another plant used in traditional medicine because of its fame as a natural soother. But this plant also affects blood sugar levels, keeping them under control. It also seems to protect against complications of diabetes, such as lesions in blood vessels. To make this tea, you need 1 tablespoon of chamomile and 1 cup of boiling water. Add the chamomile to the boiling water and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain and drink it warm. Drink 2 to 3 times a day. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a very versatile medicinal herb and can be used to treat many health issues. It even has a strong effect on controlling blood sugar levels. Fenugreek seeds contain a substance known as 4-hydroxyleucine, which according to many studies seems to increase insulin production in the pancreas, lowering the high glucose levels common in diabetes. Also, fenugreek seems to slow the emptying of the stomach, reducing the absorption of carbs, and promoting the use of glucose by the body, which lowers glycemia. To make this tea, you need 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds and 1 cup of boiling water. Add the water and seeds to a pot and let it boil for 1 minute. Turn off the heat and let it sit for 5 minutes. Remove seeds and drink the tea warm. These teas must be avoided by children and pregnant or nursing women because of their side effects. If you take diabetes medication, talk to your doctor before drinking these teas, as they can cause hypoglycemia. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.